Now we are going to learn another tense, l'imparfait. It is the imperfect or past continuous tense. So this is also very simple. You just have to remember the endings, like the future tense where you wrote the stem followed by the endings. In imperfect also you need to learn the stem and the endings. So as usual we begin by learning for the ER verbs. For the ER verbs in imperfect, the stem is formed by removing ER. Let us take for example the verb demander. So the stem for imperfect is formed by removing ER. So demander is the stem. Now I will tell you the endings. Kindly note it down. I hope you have your notebook along with you. Note down the endings. So the endings are AIS, AIS, AIT, AIT, IONS, IEZ, AIENT and AIENT. So say it along with me once again, the endings alone. AIS, AIS, AIT, AIT, IONS, IEZ, AIENT, AIENT. Now, shall we try to write the conjugation in imperfect for an ER verb? Let us take the verb demander, which we already learnt. Now, as I told you, the stem is formed by removing E and R. So, for je, it will be the stem followed by the ending. For je in imperfect, the ending is AIS. Demander means to ask. So, je demandais would mean I was asking, past continuous. It was the particular action was going on in the past. It was not completed. So I was asking. For tu, we would write the stem and the ending is AIS. Is that clear? Next, for il, how do we write? We write the stem followed by the ending. For il, the ending is AIT. And for L also, the ending is AIT. Okay, is that clear? Simple way to write it. We just have to write the stem followed by the endings. So it is similar to how we wrote it in the future tense. The change lies only in the endings. Do you remember the endings of the future tense? If you don't remember it, don't worry. We will now do an exercise so that you can refresh your memory of the future tense. Now moving on here, for nu, we would write the stem followed by the ending. What is the ending for nu in imperfect? It is IONS. So very simple. Next, for vous, we write the stem followed by the ending IEZ. For il, we write the stem. And what is the ending here? AIENT. And finally for L also, we write the stem followed by the ending. It is the same, AIENT. So this is how we write the conjugation in Imperfect. A simple way to remember the stem is we write the verb that is given in the infinitive. We write it in the first person plural. That is for nous, it is demandons. In the present tense, we remove the ONS and add these endings. So this is how you remember the stem. Now, shall we move on to the next group of verbs? Let us see for the verb voir. Do you remember this verb? It means to see. Now, how do we learn the stem for this? For voir, the nous conjugation will be voyons. Yes, I hope you remember that. You must be thorough with it by now. Nous, it is voyons. So we will remove ONS and add our imperfect endings. So very simple. Now for je, what was our stem? It was VOY. So this is our stem. And for je, what is the imperfect ending? It is AIS. So I was seeing, AIS. For tu, we write the stem VOY followed by the ending. For tu also the ending is AIS. For il, we write the stem followed by the ending AIT. For L also, it is stem plus AIT. So it is very simple, right? How did we find the stem? We wrote the nous conjugation of the given verb. We removed ONS and added the endings AIS for je, AIS for tu, AIT for il, AIT for L. Now for nous, how do we write it for nous? It is stem plus the ending. What is the ending for nous? It is IONS. If you notice, there's only one change. It's only the I. So spelling is very important here. If you leave out this I, it becomes IC. If this I is there, it means, we see. It means we were seeing. So this I is very important. It changes the meaning of the word. Next, for vous, we write the stem followed by the ending. What is the ending for vous? It is IEZ. So we wrote the stem followed by the ending IONS for nous and IEZ for vous. For il, we write the stem, and do you remember the ending for ILS? It is AIENT. AIENT. So we wrote the stem followed by the ending. For L, again it's the same. Stem followed by the ending. So this is how we write the imperfect for the verb voir. What is imperfect? It is imperfect or past continuous. It was going on in the past. It was not completed. So how do we write this? We write the stem followed by the endings, and the stem we find by writing the new conjugation for the given verb in the present tense, and then we remove ONS and add the endings AIS, AIS, AIT, AIT, IONS, IEZ, AIENT, AIENT. So I hope you have understood how we write the imperfect.